and the mystery of the battle that shaped England's destiny. The battle that shaped England's national destiny was fought more than 100 years earlier when the Saxons took on the Vikings in the Battle of Brunanburh. For 800 years, the location of the battle has been a mystery, but not any longer. Mark Simpson is on the battlefield now. Mark?
Thanks very much indeed, I am, of course. This is a quiet corner of the northwest of England, a place where people like to come to walk their dogs or play some golf. But for hundreds of years, this green land has been hiding a big secret. This used to be a bloody battleground. How times have changed. It's all birdies and bunkers where once there was death and destruction. This golf course near Birkenhead is now believed to be the site of the Battle of Brunanburh. Fought in AD 937, it's regarded as the moment when Englishness was born. The main Saxon tribes united for the first time to defeat an invasion force of Vikings. The place of the battle has been disputed for centuries, but new research claims this part of Merseyside was once very different.
We would have seen absolute carnage, because we believe this was probably the site of the Battle of Brunanburh, which was one of the bloodiest of battles to have taken place in the British Isles.
The pinpointing of the location is surprising news to most local people, especially the golfers.
It is more historic than any other golf course now, really, isn't it? More history. Yeah, it's very good. No, I never thought about that.
What do you think?
Well, the only thing is, as long as you don't put the fees up now for the history, that's in the place.
History or no history, the game goes on. And any archaeologist wanting to dig up this area is likely to face a very modern battle. Well, experts tell me that even if you did dig up this soil, you're unlikely to find terribly much because the battle was, of course, more than 1,000 years ago. That's bad news for the historians, but good news for the golfers. Back to you.
All right, Mark, thank you.